Hiya, it's Todd here. I'm going to try to get myself a nice viewer. I've seen a couple of sexy buggers over there.
So let's go and see what these foreign women are all about, shall we?
Levantando un muro pa' quedarse. Tú persiguiendo el corazoncito a ver quién te mira. Quién te
Phil, walk off, you cheeky bastard! That was a close call. I seen a bit of clunge over there. The trouble with these Spanish women is they all smell of fucking tuna.
I'm not sure it's their minge, or they've just had their dinner.
So let's go. I can smell tuna! Sorry about that. Hi, love. What's your name?
Lucy. Love.
Your breath smells like fucking fishy onions.
Well, it's better than having a fishy fanny. Do you want a fucking sniff?
Yeah, okay.
Well,
Habba digga, ba digga, waka waka.
what the fuck are you on about?
Calm down.
I'm so sorry, my love. Please forgive me.
And that, my friends, is how to get yourself a little Spanish tapas.